Hi friends, welcome all to my Knowledge DP channel. Hope you are enjoying my videos. And today I have bring one new video with the topic compressor sampling and testing for viable count. So who has not subscribe and like my channel, so I request all of you to please like, share and subscribe, and please don't forget to press bell icon to get the upcoming new videos. So let's start our today's video. So friends, welcome once again, and we will start our today's topic. Our topic name is sampling and testing of compressor for viable count. So viable and non-viable. Viable means which containing the living microorganism, and non-viable means the name indicates itself meaning. So non-viable means it does not contain the living microorganism. So let's start the procedure. Compressor shall be monitored for aerobic microbial count using the compressor sampler. So here we are using the compressor sampler. Monitoring of compressor of aerobic microbial count. Prepare the media as per the SOP. Wherever SOP has given as per that SOP, we have to prepare the media or aerobic microbial count. Okay, on preparation and qualification of microbial media, use 90 mm plates containing the soybean casing. Okay, this is the media, soybean casing digest agar media for monitoring of compressed air or aerobic microbes. So after that, pre-incubate the plates as per the specified incubation condition and carry the plates in a Petri plate carrier to the respective area. Respective area means where we have to do the sampling of from respective sampling location. It means a shop floor, whether it is the shop floor or any other area from where we have to do the sampling. Transfer the plates and sampler with the kit to location to be monitored. At the location of sampling, remove the head of sampler and place media plate containing soybean casing digest agar media. Adjust the pressure regulator to 100 lpm. We have to adjust the pressure of that sampler to 100 lpm. Liter per minute. Connect the sampling point through the PU pipe to compress air sampler. Okay. After connecting the pipe to the sampler, pass 1000 liter of air through the media plate using a compressed air sampler. Air sampler shall take 8 to 10 minutes for the sampling. Okay. After 8 to 10 minutes sampling, complete the sampling. Close the valve of sampling point and disconnect the adapter and perforated lid. Remove the plate from the head of air sampler and mark sampling location and date of sampling on the plate. For misunderstanding, after completion of the sampling, at the same time we have to read the sampling location point and date of sampling on a Petri dish. Okay, keep the plates back in a Petri plate carrier. Bring the plates to the microbiology lab for incubation. Incubate the plates first at 20 to 25 degree Celsius for 3 days and then at 30 to 35 degree Celsius for next 48 hours under the aerobic condition. Okay, first after bringing this Petri plates to the microbiology lab, we have to incubate these plates for 20 to 25 degrees Celsius for 3 days, and after that After that, we have to same plate incubate on 30 to 35 degrees Celsius for 48 hours. After the completion of the incubation period, count the number of colonies on each plate. Okay, this is very important. We have to count the number of colonies formed on that particular plate. Limit shall be not more than 200 CFU colony forming units per plate per cubic meter of air for grade D. This is the manufacturing area grade. So for this grade, we have to get the not more than 200 colony forming units per plate per cubic meter. Record the observation of compressed air as per the annexure. Whatever they have given the annexure, same we have to do the recording in that annexure. For this testing and monitoring, frequency given is once in a month. Every month we have to do this monitoring and testing of compressed air for viable count. Okay, compressed air monitoring report. Plant media use. Okay, date of sampling. Okay, here media sterilization lot, incubation temperature, incubator number we have to written here. We have to write here, and temperature they have given the 20 to 25 for 3 days. Okay, after this completion, second incubation period and temperature 30 to 35. Okay, air sampler ID we have to write here. Sampling point, here we have to write the sampling point, and exposure period from this time to this time, and this for 3 days 72 hours. Okay, whatever the observations we have to write here, and after 72 hours we have to same, but temperature is the different 30 to 35, and incubation period is 120 hours, and we have to same write after the completion of the incubation colony forming units. We have to write the observations here. Okay, who has observed the sign and date. Positive control, negative control denotes characteristic growth. Predominant organism identified by colony characteristic. Grow if after that, after completion of this filling report, and positive control, negative control. If we found the growth, and how many we have to write here. If we found the no growth, and then we have to use the remark here. Okay, limit is not more than 200 colony forming units per plate per cubic meter is the limit for manufacturing grade D. Remarks observation are within / not within limits. And this is the whole video for sampling and testing of compressed air for viable count. So I hope you enjoy this video, and if you have any doubts regarding this video, you can comments me without hesitate, and whoever has not still like and share my channel, so please I request all, please do the like, share and subscribe our channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon to get the upcoming new videos notification. Being with us, I will bring the new video with the new topics, so keep with us. And you can also refer my Facebook page, and I have also a blog having the walking interview one.blogspot.com. I have also active on the Instagram, so you can also follow the Instagram. So hope you will enjoy this topic, and whatever you have the doubts, you can definitely ask me in comments. And you also refer my other videos like bulk density, particle flow, granulation, compression area, coating area. So be in touch with me, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And please, once again I request all, please press bell icon to get the upcoming notifications of my next videos. So take care, work safe, and see you in next video. Then bye bye, Jai Hind.